What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your favorite Aunty Teetee, back again with another wig review. This video we will be reviewing another Outre melted hairline lace front wig in the style Isabella. Don't she look like Isabella? Don't she look like Isabella? I think she does, yeah. So let's go ahead and get into Isabella, because honey, girl, child, Isabella is okay. So, Outre melted hairline lace front wig in Isabella has HD transparent lace. It's 400 degrees. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. Isabella in DRFF chocolate truffle. Isabella comes with baby hairs and pre-attached wide elastic band. Outre Isabella has a 5-inch deep part. It's completely pre-plucked hairline with sideburns, natural baby hairs, and redesigned for comfort of hair contour. I guess not for my hair, because honey child, I had to cut that off. It was all on top of my hair, and I got some big hairs, but Outre, you ain't had to make it noticeable that they were big. You know, you could just be like, let me put a little something, so that way she don't know, like, girl, your hairs are alike. But anyway, I digress. So, Outre Isabella. You know what, before I tell you what I think about the wig, go ahead and watch a video on how I tweaked Isabella to get it to look like this, and then we'll talk about the pros, the cons, and how I feel about Isabella. Do I like her, do I not, or is she in between? So go ahead and keep watching. products I use to achieve my wig slayage like this is the tinted lace in the color medium brown. This is what it looks like. I put it in the lace part right here, and I combine it with my powder to set it, and that will cover up the black knots of the lace. I use this product to lay down the edges, and I try to transition to olive oil because it's better for the hair than the got-to-be glue. I did not use my wig grip because I don't know if this color is just a little too light under this wig, but it was given like a line of demarcation which I did not like. So for this wig in this video I did not use this, but in the majority of my other videos I do enjoy wearing this wig grip. So under here I only have the cap, and that's it. So the cap construction of Outre Isabella comes with 3 combs, one in the back, one on each side, and the last